How to use promo code on Alibaba. Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to do that. So let's just jump right in. First thing you have to do is go ahead and open up the application alibaba.com and make sure to log into your account. Now once you're logged in, you can find your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And if you have any coupons and credits or promo codes that you have already entered or previously entered, you can find it here on the coupon section. And you can see your credit as well. So it's available coupons, used, and then expired coupons. In order to apply the coupon code, you could just go ahead and go to your cart first. And once you get to your cart, you can add an item to your cart. So just tap on your item, tap on add to cart. And once you add an item to your cart, you should be able to continue to check out. So let's go to our cart first. And then from here, tap on checkout. But before you do that, if you see an option to enter promo codes, you can enter that. Or if not, you can just tap on checkout. And then from here, you can scroll down and then you can find an option to enter promo codes here. And if you tap on pay now, you can just go ahead and enter your card information and then continue on with your payment. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you enter promo codes on Alibaba. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.